Aw. This little boy is definitely loved by puppies. Puppy love, puppy love. Hi, puppies. Oh, you did come. Hi, ladies. Hi, boys. Hi, girls. Aww. They love Lukey Benjamin. Look at these good-looking puppies. Oh, Becca, Anna, put that thing away. There's Becca. She likes to. Aww. Oh, or is it getting cold outside? They're scared of outside right now. It's a little wet because it's been wet the past couple days, but this is their first time outside, so they're not sure what to think.
It's the first time they ever saw the cage.
Becca, Anna, put the thing away. Nobody's even going to be in that. They're going to be too big. Uh-oh. Military, are you way by yourself? Military got lost out there, Becca. Oh, there he is. Made it back.
My baby.